Hey, everybody. Happy Monday. How's it going? And let me finish posting on Instagram. Hey, we've started. How's it going, everyone? Everyone have a good Monday? Beep, 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 beep. Moon Day? I don't know if I saw any moons. Did you send me a Snapchat? All right. Ugh. Well, it's the gun show. I've brought the Texas gun show. Oh no! I'm sorry, evil bud. Oh, ow. I'm sorry. That's a joke I told the other day I thought was really good. Now I can't remember what it was. I should write these down. It was a really good joke. Yeah, I hope it passes okay, evil bud. I have been fortunate enough not to have ever had that, and I'm sure it's very painful. So it is not anything I would want to do. So, um, yeah, not much happened today. Work happened, and so there's not really much to talk about. Neil's sister's still here, and she's helping unpack. So they've unpacked at least half a dozen boxes today, which is I'm very grateful for her help in getting that next 10-15% of the boxes undone. And yeah, it's just another Monday. Not much to talk about. Fallout. Oh look, I don't have the audio playing. So we are still trying to get that the quest for getting the car put together. Hey, Adsky. And so that's what we're kind of concentrating on. So we need to find, but at the same time, there were a few other side quests like getting there's like a reactor in this town of Ghoul, and we're trying to like fix it or optimize it. And then so we got to do that, and then we got to find a wrench. We're looking for a wrench. So we're gonna look for a wrench. If we find the wrench, then we'll complete this other quest to get the piece we need for the car. Well, that's why we're doing that. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna continue doing that, and then hopefully we'll kind of move on to the next area. Hey, what how's it going? Yeah. As always, we can take a break and play a game like Zaxxon. I used to love that game on my ColecoVision back in the day. It does not have to be Zaxxon. It can be any of the games on that arcade list. And if I beat the high score, I'll put your name on the high score list. All right. Well, without further ado, let's get going. Oh, I have to stop a little earlier tonight. I have an earlier meeting. Speaking of early meetings, hey, Matthew J. I actually work with a Matt. We call him because there's a lot of Matts at work, and I work with a Matthew J. or a Matt J. Really good programmer, very good. Yeah, more skin. I was thinking this is the shirt I should have worn to the Iron Bear the other day. I wasn't thinking. I was actually going with the theme. The theme was camping, and I wore my Zelda camp shirt. So I was actually on brand, but I wasn't sexy brand. So, basically I came out of that going, a Boy Scout. I don't have a Boy Scout uniform. Um, thanks. It it I wasn't slutty enough. Basically, is what it was. Didn't show enough skin. Didn't have a jock strap hanging out the back or something. Yeah. Anyway, next time. Well, we were saying, I think next time it's going to be Halloween. Should I wear the Bowser onesie to the Iron Bear? Besides the one time I was handcuffed, I've never worn the Bowser onesie outside. Speaking of handcuffed, Alric, thank you so much for the raid. Thanks for doing the shout out. Welcome, everybody. Whoops, I didn't hit that button. There we go. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome. What were you up to? You were playing Baldur's Gate 3. How was Baldur's Gate 3? It's going well. Welcome, everybody. I'm JFries. Retro Variety. Was it honor mode? Oh. That must be hard mode. I don't know what I haven't played Baldur's Gate 3. Have I played Baldur's Gate? I haven't played Baldur's Gate yet. I mean, I have. All right, so let me qualify that. I have played I did play Baldur's Gate a long time ago when it was originally came out. I played Baldur's Gate. But I have not played one. I haven't played it on stream. So is your team wipes, it's real game over. Got it. Hi, it's a Nuzlocke. You're playing a Nuzlocke. Hey, Mr. Barrington. How's it going? Well, welcome everybody. I'm JFries. We are currently playing Fallout 2, the original game from 98. Not the original. The original was Fallout 1. This is the sequel to the original. We are going to be playing Fallout 3, which I have right here on Xbox 360. Well, I didn't find it, but it was unpacked today. But we're going to play new Pokemon Snap. We're going to play Eternal Sonata. So, yeah. I found this, or I didn't find it. I should say Neil's sister unpacked this. It's an Xbox 360 memory card. And the thing is the Xbox 360 I have does not take memory cards. So this must have been from my original Xbox 360, which met a red ring of death a long time ago as well. And so I should have kept that. I'm sure I threw it away. I should have kept it just as an homage, I guess. And then I bought a new one, and it does not take memory cards because I think because it has a built-in hard drive, so they were going away from that. So, but yeah, if you're not familiar with my stream, I play games off my arcade machine. We call that arcade mode, and we also play a game called Fries Quest, which is an RPG that I wrote, and it looks a little like, where is it? This. So thank you again, Alric, for the raid. And I'm pretty sure you're cool with clips. Stop me now, or I'm gonna play a clip from your stream. All right, go for it. And am I saying your username correctly? Is it Alric, or is it Alruck, or is it? How do you pronounce it? I get JFries a lot. And I fortunately have a fry. I usually do J and then a little fry. All rook. Yeah. That's what I said. Ulrich. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Alric or Ulrich. Either one. Okay. All right. Here is a clip from Ulrich. My peoples should go follow. All right. Some. This looks like Baltro. Or however you pronounce that. Balatro? Or is it not? Is it something else?
We are doing clubs, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Everyone seems to love this. I have never played it.
Jeez.
I guess she lost. It's so addictive. That's what I've heard. It's really, really addictive. Well, thank you so much for the raid. We haven't even started. You got us right at the beginning of the stream. So, welcome everybody. I was trying to figure out which one to load here. I think it's this one. That's about the time I usually quit. Yes, this is where we were. I remember this now. I already said it's the Texas Gun Show. I'm doing all right, Lemon Square. All right. I guess let's go here. I think we died. All right, so we are looking for... All right, so we were going to go back to... That's what we were going to do. We were going back to Modoc in order to find a wrench. We're trying to find a wrench. Holy shit, we can't find a wrench in this game. Holy shit, what's going on here? Shoot those guns. I'm not muscular at all. I have natural muscles. Dad pun muscles that you've worked those really a lot. I'm worried if I shoot like if I shoot a barrel, is it gonna explode? My beard has gotten extra poofy lately. So I trimmed it a little bit so it's not as long, and it's just gotten wider. it goes out. Poofy. Yeah. Poof 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 poof. That's what it does. I'm worried that the barrels are going to go boom. What if I did that? What if I intentionally shot the barrels? And we all go die. Oh, I'll shoot this one. Here, I'll shoot this one. Oh my goodness, they're fire breathing. Oh, I've been radiated. Oh, this isn't good. With bubbles in the bath. Yeah. I guess that would work. Right here, let's try it. Oh, I can't shoot a barrel. I think we're gonna die. There's I was watching someone play
The darkness of the afterlife is
I was watching someone play.
May you find more
Oh my goodness.
in that world
What's it called?
than
Mother.
you found in this one.
What's it called in the US? Earthbound. I was watching someone play Earthbound, and like there's a sound, like I think it's the level up sound or something like that. And Arcade Bear has that as part of his stream. And so now I think I'm in Arcade Bear stream whenever I watch someone play Earthbound. Because he has it as part of his alerts. Hello. Load this one. There we go. We're going back. May the random number generator be in our favor. Oh, it's cows. Are we going to be attacked by the cows? Oh my god! The cows are exploding! I guess so. Oh wait. Oh no! Oh fuck! He just... They...
Rest
What?
in peace,
What?
chosen one.
How did they just reappear and then explode again? Are you just supposed to run? I guess so. Why is this all of a sudden become a JFries is gonna die over and over again game? I guess so. That's the first time that's happened. Well, they're Brahmin. They're two-headed cows. So. All right, are these bad guys? Highwaymen. All right, let's take them out. This we could get weapons from them. Okay. Ow. All right. Got one down. Is that another one going down? Or no, he's on the ground. There, now he's dead. You animal, y'all attacked us. Oh shit, I'm almost dead. Where? We won. Yay! All right. Ooh, a gun. Money, we like money. That was one. More money. And a knife. We'll take that. Ooh, shotgun shells. Batman smells. Robin laid an egg. Another shotgun. Okay. All right. What are these? 762 millimeters. Okay. Oh, is that? Oh my goodness, what is that? Oh, that looks good. All right. Let's look at inventory here. What's this? What's this? 9 to 18. But it has a really long range. And we've got that. Well, that's cool. So if we want to take people from afar, and then we have, if we want to take people close up. That's pretty good. And then, so let's start with this one. And then let's talk to you. Trade. And we'll give you a shotgun. Would you like a shotgun? Oh, but then I have to give you some shells. I'm not so hot about that. Where was that shotgun? There it is. Here, we're going to give you a pistol, too. But no bullets. Oh, I thought I got him some armor. I guess I didn't. No, I think I gave it to the other guy. Yeah, why don't they have any shit on them? Nothing. All right, we're going to go here. And then we're going to rest cuz we got to heal. Where's the pip boy? We're going to rest until healed. Right. That wasn't so bad. I think I took the most damage. And then we're going to save. Done. Yes. 2201. That was almost the exact same time. but yesterday. All right, let's go. Almost there. Ah! So close. Asshole. I was critically hit for 21 hit points of damage. Asshole. These are some robbers. Really need more action points. I need to get him a new weapon. Oh, good. Thank you. Oh, I think you broke a rib. I would think a shotgun at point blank range would be devastating. Like that. I think it's funny when they miss. Uh-oh, I'm almost dead. Uh-oh. Down to one. Oh, they killed me. Damn it.
Rest in peace, chosen one.
It's funny too, because I was very close. I was gonna heal myself, and then I decided not to. That was a bad move on my part. Well, fortunately, we just saved it, so we should be okay. Maybe we'll make it this time. Nope. What are these people? Some homeless people. Are they gonna explode? More homeless people. All right, we're looking for a wrench. Oh, this was the ship place. Let's go to this general store. Let's see if he has a wrench. He has a knife. And a shotgun. What's that? Plasma grenade. I think I sold that to him. No wrench. Did I just use my... Just use this... Did I just wash my hands? Let's go in here. Sob. Why can't I get there? Okay. All right. Let's go over here. Ooh, a leather jacket. How much for the leather jacket? Way too much. What, I think we're made of money? Huh. Trying to think of where else I could go. Look at all this shit. Well, we know we can't go in there. They don't like you messing with their dogs. This is just all. Nothing. I guess we could go back to... Oh my god, I can't. There should be code that if you can't walk through people, there's gotta be code that gets them to move out of the way. Like, normally, if it's a companion, you should just be able to walk through them. Why, why would you... I mean, so I remember the pathing that I did when I was coding was on a World War II strategy game called Close Combat. We played it on stream once. And yeah, we did not let the... I mean, the soldiers could... to more than one, a soldier could occupy the same space. It was just not that big a deal. We're gonna go back to the den now. Oh, there it is. Hey, Iowa! Oh, we forgot to save it. Oh, we might be screwed. I forgot to save. I forgot to save. Traveling across the world. Some highwaymen and robbers. No, I didn't save, so I'd rather not. I know. Wow, I'm surprised. Surprised we made it. It's nighttime. Alright, so we're going back to this guy. I'm hoping he has a wrench, because he's like a fucking mechanic. He's got some beer. He's got a Molotov cocktail. Ooh, a super toolkit. Isn't that what he needed? He didn't. I think he needed a super toolkit. Holy fuck, dude. That an oar, oh, a shovel. you have an oar in here. Well, there's a tool. We already have a tool. Yeah, we already have a tool. We need a wrench. Some cheesy poofs. I guess I could take the cheesy poofs. Shit, I guess I should take the tool. Can you have either or? Yeah. I was gonna say one or the other. I don't have crickets sound effect, do I? I have laughing. Yeah, that's one. That's a good one. I think that's it. I think that's my only. Those are my 3 sound effects that I have. They've served me well. I've needed no others. Dude, I came all the way over here because I thought you would have a fucking wrench. Alright, let's go over here. He has stuff to sell. Let's see if he has something. I should really save. What's that? Oh, it's Psycho. He's a drug dealer. He's got a fucking tool. He's got an ore too. I think some of this stuff I sold him. Damn it, doesn't anyone have a fucking wrench? Do, 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 do. Oh, man. Alright. Come on, path out of the place. Oh, is it because my people are standing at the door? Once again, I can't path out. Guy needs to move. Here, let's talk to him. Have you seen my dog? No. Jesus Christ. Finally, he moved. No! My guys start getting in the way. Is there a dog missing? Why? Why? Do you keep hearing a dog? I keep hearing a dog too. Okay, yeah, I saved. I was like, did I save?
Once again, my spirit touches you from the void. Chosen, our crops fail, our reserves are meager. Return to us with the Gecko. Your failure is our last light.
Do I have a time limit on this? Do I have a time limit? Oh, fuck. There's a lot of them. This is like when, when 6 platinum dragons come out. Y'all are like, oh fuck. Come on. Why isn't he dead? Uh-oh, Vic's almost dead. When they run, they're almost dead. Oh, that's not good. Oh no, they killed Vic. They're about to kill me. Yeah, there we go. Boo!
You have died. Your village is lost, doomed to
I
die
died.
of starvation.
Oh no, we're in the den. Vault City. Take me down to Vault City!
Once again, my spirit touches you from.
Okay, yeah. Is it more? Oh, it's merchants. Why, hello, merchants. Wait a minute, I've heard of you. You're the do-gooder that's running around helping people. We don't like your kind, so buzz off. Okay. Jesus. Alright, so maybe we can take these guys out. Right. I missed. Frick. Oh, I decided to get out a knife, I guess? Oh, maybe he ran out of shotgun shells. Oh, but he has got other guns. I like the pain. Yeah, that's just maybe too many of them. Oh, he was killed. Damn it. I don't think we're gonna win. I really need to get, like, more action points, you know? Uh-oh. Did I just kill the game? Oh, I didn't. Well, I don't think we're gonna win here. I think I should probably just reload anyway. Because what's his name got killed. Took one out. Yeah, it's definitely a slower paced game, right? It's more like a what was that, XCOM? I mean, it's turn based. See, Vic died too, wasn't he? All right, well, I'm almost dead too. See how many I can take out. Yeah. I died.
The wasteland has claimed your life.
I should have just reloaded anyway. Alright, so let's not try and go all the way to Vault City. We will try to go to Modoc first.
Once again my spirit touches you from the void. Chosen, our crops fail, our reserves are meager. Return to us with the Gecko. Your failure is our last light.
I guess in case you forget what you're supposed to be doing, I guess. No. Almost there. Alright, we made it. Doesn't... I like how it's called Down the John. Oh, thank you. The problem with doing that is, I don't know if I could come up with... I guess I could come up with different voices. I have a lot of people who say I don't have a Texas accent. I don't know what accent I have. Normal? I don't... American? I always said I got raised by television, and so I talk like people on television and not my parents. Uh-oh, lizards. Golden geckos. A touch of a Texas accent? That's what people say. Especially when I say y'all. I don't say it like that. Radio commercials or TV voiceover work? That's cool. I don't know what... You know, that's a good question, though. Because usually, It's not video. Yeah, I don't know. I'd have to find out if I could do that. Oh, thanks. That's what I mean. So I started all of this during COVID because a friend said, you know, you have a good voice. You like playing video games. You should stream on Twitch. And I was like, what? What? And here we are, 6 years later. And here we are, 6 years later. Yeah, that's true. I'm afraid I put people to sleep. It's too soothing. Hey, as long as they keep Twitch up while I'm talking. I try to talk while I'm playing a video game too. That's true. Worst Game Wednesday is Wednesday. Yeah. We're playing The Life of Black Lion? Is that what it was? Oh, I don't remember what it is now. Hold on just a second. Tiger. It's Tiger. You wish I could put you to sleep with because of insomnia? Yeah, there you go. I like how 3 of y'all are tiger. It's a black tiger. There's no such thing as black lions. A guy on QVC. Why would you like to buy this official Xbox 360 for a limited time offer? Xbox 360 memory cartridge. I know. That's why I was laughing. Tiger. It's like, what is it? A lion? Is it a leopard? I think I called it a leopard last night. Well, I know Flaming Baguette can't sleep. Because he's always here. So I never put him to sleep. And it's the middle of the night in Ireland. Tiger first. You missed. Okay. It is game related. Yeah, I do work in the video game industry. But I don't talk about that. Yeah, 28 years. I started off as an engineer. And worked on games. We actually played a few of my games on stream on Twitch. Close Combat 3, the Russian Front. I'll just get it real quick. Oh, wait, let me. Did we kill it? Is it dead? Yeah, here's the game. This is my first video game that I worked on. Right here, Close Combat 3: The Russian Front. It's published by Microsoft, but it was made by Atomic Games, which is a little tiny development team. And I did a lot of online programming. If you were a member of the Microsoft Zone and played multiplayer, I wrote the code that connected you. I did a lot of tools work. I was a tools programmer. So yeah, Atomic Games, that was in Houston, A1 Chubb. This is when I lived down near NASA in the Webster area. We worked on that. I know, I got to work on a giant box, PC game box. I always wanted to work on a game that was on floppy disks. This was not on floppy disks. This was on CD. I don't know what's left in here. Here's the manual. Remember when games had manuals? There's nothing else in this box. I'm sure I have copies around here. Actually, I have beta copies of this somewhere. Yeah. Hours. I know. I would spend hours, like when I bought a game at like Toys R Us or wherever I bought it, as we're driving home, I was reading the back of the box, right? Yeah. Uh-oh. The game's like, you need to pay attention to me. Oh wait, I didn't switch scenes. Whoop. Sorry. It's boring anyway. I'm searching dead bodies which have nothing. Alright, so let's... I don't know if we got injured at all. I guess we did a little bit. Okay. And then we're gonna save. And I'll show you. And I worked on Madden football for many years. Sports ball. And then couldn't find the other one. We played this one on stream too. It was a short game. I didn't realize we made such a short game. Although, you know, this was it was mostly a multiplayer game and not a like campaign. But it's this game, Section 8. We published this in, I want to say 2009. Yeah, so I was a lead engineer on this game. And also Timegate, which was also in Houston, A1. This one was in Sugarland. And then both Atomic and Timegate are out of business now. Video game industry, right? And then I worked for EA for a long time. But yeah, it's been a good career. I also worked on NCAA football, and So I was really a NCAA football fan, and so I was really good at that game actually. So I used to work on Madden and play NCAA football, but then I switched over. So yeah, I worked on the last NCAA football game, 14, and then it got canceled, and then it came back in 25, I think 24 or 25. It came back, and was very popular when it came back. And I said, well, yeah, don't ship a game for 11 years, and guess what will happen? Yeah, it was not good when it shut down. Yeah. Not a good day at work. Yep, I was. Yeah, I lived in Houston for a while. All right. Let's take a break. There we go. Nope.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Welcome to
This store
Neil's
reeks of
Deals.
capitalism.
This store isn't run on capitalism. It's run on monopolism.
Arcade Bear hit join so fast that the background didn't load. When the Xbox came out? Yeah, so JFries, the username JFries was my because I worked on, so the last game I was an engineer on, the last Madden game I was an engineer on was Madden 2005 for the Xbox, GameCube, and PS2. And I created JFries
for battle.
for the for that, whatever, what was it called? The Xbox Live
Ready
service.
for action.
That was my username. And I've had it ever since. It should fix when the battle starts. Oh, thank you. I don't feel like I'm that cool. It threw us into the void edition. It should fix itself.
Diet Coke is an addiction, not a healing salve.
Oh, thank you, Lemon Square.
Don't you know who my husband
See, it
is?
fixed itself.
Get
I told
outta
you it
here.
would fix itself. Because I know where the background loading code is. Alright, I'll be right back. See you in a second.
My prices
I'm
aren't
ready.
rigged.
Let's go.
Who
This
started
world
that
reeks
rumor?
of capitalism.
Ready for battle. Ready for battle.
Those monsters stole me Lucky Charms!
Today is a good day to fry.
Ready for action.
I used to be an adventurer like you until I took an arrow in the knee. No need to socket gems into this armor. Not yet, at least. You spent
I'm ready.
10,000
Let's
or
go.
more,
This
huh?
store
Well,
reeks
too
of
bad.
capitalism.
That 2% coupon expired yesterday. Boo-hoo.
Ready for battle.
Those monsters stole me Lucky
Ready for
Charms!
battle.
Today is a good day to fry.
You buying that? You're braver than I thought. Time's up. Have fun watching the floor.
Hello. Well, I looked up where a wrench is. So, we're gonna go do that. It's funny, I was thinking you and Danger Girl, but y'all are taking it. Y'all are doing it well. It's the Texas Gun Show. All the balls. Monday, Monday, Monday. The Texas Gun Show. Congrats, Lemon Square. Yeah, I don't really have, I mean, I have some muscle. I have more muscle in my legs than I have in my upper body. My upper body is flabby, but my lower body is muscular, and I don't know why. It just is that way. Yeah. Well, so as you get older, you wear compression socks a lot, or old man socks, right? You can't really see my legs. See, I have muscular legs. I don't know why. Thanks. Thanks, Lemon Square. I I remember, so I mean, I played, so in high school, did I play football in high school? No, I played football in junior high. And you lift weights and and I remember being able to I wasn't good at benching, but I was good at I could do squats. Like I could lift a lot with my legs, right? So I don't know, it's just genetic, I guess. You had to clip it. Well, there you go. There's there's my leg flex. All right. Let's continue heading towards Vault City. All right, so I mentioned this. I looked up where to find a wrench. Where was it? All right. So we need to find Cassidy's bar. Oops. Was Cassidy's bar? Well, first let's wait till morning. Oh my goodness, really? Muscular and flabby? Yeah, I mean, I like all kinds. Look at all the moos. Moo. Alright, Pip. Good morning. Well, now I have one sock on and one sock off. So that's no good. Here, let me put my sock on. I gotta keep my legs muscular, or looking pretty, I guess. Sock it to me. You only get that if you are old. Exactly. Yes, that is an impression of Richard Nixon from Laugh-In. He was on Rowan and Martin's Laugh-In for some reason. Highly suggestible on Friday night. Yeah, you need to be here on Monday nights. That's the night to be here. No, I don't. It just depends on the mood I'm in, I guess. All right, so we need to talk to this kid right here. I lost my friend while playing in the courtyard. His name is Mr. Nixon. Does it really say Mr. Nixon? That is... Oh my God. His little toy is named Mr. Nixon after I did an impression of Richard Nixon. Yeah, it did. It said his little... So he has a teddy bear we need to find. And his name is Mr. Nixon. Somewhere his teddy bear is on the screen and it's tiny. Besides the nuclear fallout, is any aspect of this game like the newer fallouts besides the... What do you mean? One thing that's cool about the TV show, this is the part I like about the TV show actually, is that they show before the war, before the bombs fall, and after the bombs fall. And I think that's kind of cool that they show both. You know? This is why I have my glasses off, so I can actually see things. Yeah, it does. Well, it does. You have a character. It is an RPG. So, like, here's my character stats. And so you have all these skills, and every time you level up, you're adding stuff to your skills, basically. And then every so often you get perks, which also adds stuff to your character as well. Yeah, here's my perks: awareness and faster healing. So we're looking for Mr. Nixon. Is it maybe back here? I know. All right. So, for some reason, I can see better without my glasses. The the screen. So, I think it's at a certain distance that I can see better without my glasses on. Because I'm at the age where, so these are like, they have far distance and they also have reading distance. So I have bifocals, or whatever they're called now. They're not called bifocals because that sounds old. They're called, what are they called? I can't remember now. Anyway, so sometimes you'll see me doing this because I'm looking through the bottom part of my glasses. All right, so there's got to be, but honestly, progressive. Thank you, progressive lenses. And so I've heard that eyes get better with age. No, they don't. I thought maybe the teddy bear might be like hiding behind the walls. He's not behind the walls. So I can sometimes just see better detail without my glasses on. Just a pile of rocks. There. Yeah. Pulling the side of your face? What do you mean? Like this? And how's that cheating? Oh, okay. Oh, is that it? We found them. I lost Mr. Nixon. I don't know where I left him. Is this him? He was looking around for you too. Let me read this. It says, I have Mr. Nixon right here, but you know what? I think Mr. Nixon should be punished for going off on his own. Some ritual dismemberment may be in order. So first, I'm going to pull off his arms. Then... How mean. How mean. All right. You found him. You found Mr. Nixon. Sure I did. He didn't go far. Now keep an eye out from now on, okay? Oh, wait. I thought he was supposed to... Thanks for finding Mr. Nixon. He says thanks, too. Well, where's... I thought he was supposed to give me a wrench. Oh, I see. Do you want to dig up Daddy's wrench? There it is. No, Mr. Nixon, Daddy won't be in a mood. But it's buried under those rocks just behind the bar. We could get it right now. No, Daddy'll be mad. It's best he just like. All right, so now if I go over to these rocks, will it be there? Hey, I found a wrench buried in these rocks. Yay, we have a wrench. Holy shit, was that stupid. Man. It wasn't so bad. I bought it on Steam, and Steam does pretty good. I did have to jump through some hoops to get it into a window so that I could stream it. But playing it was pretty easy. Okay. Where? So now I think we have to go back to... Where are we? We have to go back to Vault City. Oh, we're in Vault City. We were in the poor part of Vault City. Yeah. Yeah, it was, the problem I was having was every time I would Alt-Tab out, I couldn't get back in. And so that was the problem I was having. And so in order to stream it, you gotta be able to go in and out of the window. And so, yeah, so I figured out, I can't remember how I figured it out. I think I Googled it, and there was a way to have it in windowed mode. Yeah. Well, if it isn't my dad's boss, did you want something, or are you just going to stand there gawking like a moron? Hey, I have those tools you wanted. You do? Yeah, here you go. Thanks. I mean, they're not great, but they'll do. Where did you... Oh, never mind. It's not important. Here's a few bucks for your trouble. Maybe you can use those tools to help fix that attitude of yours. Thanks. Say, I had some questions. Yeah, look, I have some work to do. Come back in a day or two, all right? I'll have time to chat then. See you tomorrow then. All right, so I guess we got to come back tomorrow. Yeah, she's pretty fucking rude. So Vic, that's Vic's daughter. Apparently they don't have a good relationship. Well, some characters do and some characters don't. Yeah, they voiced a few of them. Alright, so... Open up our Pip-Boy. It is morning, 8:09. So I guess rest until morning? You can tell they really just took the last game and built this game on top of it. It even has the same icon. They didn't even update the icon. Like I have two radiation symbols icons. One's Fallout 1 and Fallout 2. I have a whole backlog of stuff that needs fixing. Come back in a day or two. It's just been a day. All right, fine. We'll come back tomorrow. For some reason, they don't want you sleeping on that side of on that screen. And yeah, the interface is very much the same. They just changed, and you know, I don't blame them. That's what people, you know. I worked on Madden. It's the same game every year. No, it's not the same game every year. We add incremental updates and we update the rosters. Next Madden, right? Yeah, it did. There were licensing issues. Yeah, so they changed it. That's right. I remember that too. Yeah, I've been enjoying the show as well. Like I said, I like how they show, like, I'm interested in the before the bombs and after and how they've tied the two together. I liked season 1 better than season 2, probably because there was more of that. So yeah, so there was like, what did GRUP stand for? User, or am I thinking of MUDs? Generic Universal Role-Playing System. There you go. For table, yeah. So like, you know, you have Dungeons and Dragons rules. So guess what? Fry's Quest is mainly made out is based on Dungeons and Dragons rules. Yeah. Did it predate Dungeons and Dragons? I guess it probably did. Was Dungeons and Dragons based on GURPS? You won't believe this. Not less than a day after you gave me those tools, that super toolkit I order arrives. But not just one, they sent me 5. What the hell is wrong with the ordering office? Could you part with one of those toolkits? Why not? What am I going to do with 5? Take it, I swear that I'm going to beat the living tar out of the list office for this. Thanks. Appreciate it. I'll put this kit to good use. All right. D&D predates it, and oh, okay. I guess D&D was around pretty early. Yeah. Yeah, it's just rules around that. I wonder how much of that got based on Dungeons and Dragons. So I'm like an OG Dungeons and Dragons. You know, we've been doing a lot of show and tell. Actually, I don't think I have my D&D books unpacked. Let me see what I have here. Hold on. So this says D&D books on it. here they are. So I have my original player's handbook and Dungeon Master's Guide upside down. So yeah, I also have the second edition player's handbook as well. But yeah, a lot of this stuff, like here's an original Monsters Manual. I'll have to unpack it all. Yeah, well, actually there's... Where is it? Yeah, here they are. Yeah. Oh yeah, I was totally an OG Dungeon Master. This was a dungeon I created called Fighting Fire with Fire, and it's got runes, it's got Elvish and Dwarvish, and I've got maps. I don't know how much that's gonna show up on the screen. And it's got... I wrote this in high school. Yeah, look at this old printer paper. It's starting to yellow. For the DM. Alright, here's the background. Sir! The young, in appearance elf yelled as he ran into the city council's palace hall. Slow down, Tom Char, insisted the regal-looking elf, sitting higher than the rest of the council members. Do you have something to report? Yes, Your Excellency. I can't believe I wrote this. It seems a giant forest fire erupted in the north and is heading right for Flordonia. Elona, help us. This had to happen while all of our warriors are fighting the dwarves to the east. Larkon, a council member says, we could hire a group. We need a group of adventurers. We should hire these people. Excellent idea, Corsar. What are these names? Turning to Tomchar Flarkon states, go to the human city called Greyhawk. There, you can hire a group of adventurers. I have a special assignment for them. Wow, I have notes on here. Well, anyway, there you go. Yeah, and then I have this one, and then I have this other one called The Directions of Rosive. Anyway. It's funny how my parents gave me all my stuff, my D&D stuff, and they were like, here, and I was like, oh wow, I forgot I did all this. You know? You got destroyed in a move? Oh no, Orange. Yeah, see, my parents were like, here's all your crap. No. My parents move so often that it's a little crazy. Okay, so we got what we needed. But we can't get out of this room because everyone's blocking. Okay. So if I look in inventory, I should have the super toolkit. I do. Beyond the witch light in clown since they involves the circus. Well, I mean, how do you feel about that? Is that cool with you? I mean, I guess... Well, this is what I like about working in the video game industry is it feeds my logic side and my creative side. It's actually why I like streaming too. It's very creative. Streaming is very creative, and it's one of the things that I like to do. And I guess, yeah, I was always the DM. I guess being a DM was also very creative. So any day in makeup is a good day. All right. Well, there you go. It takes all kinds, as we say, right? All right, there was something I had to do here in this city. It was something like optimize some data or something. Let's go into this vault. I think there was something that we needed to do here. Without combat players. Yeah, I did. We did a one-shot campaign 1 year. Play It Jason was the DM. And it was fun on stream. Got those those improv juices flowing, I guess. I don't remember what I needed to do here. Maybe I need to use that data on the computer. We'll try using the computer and see what happens. Maybe it's this computer. There we go. Insert Gecko power plant disk into the computer. That's what we want to do. Reading disk. Reactor data. Atomic power plant. Efficiency 43%, 75% error. Plant calibration MD4GH1. Do you wish to optimize? Begin optimization. Beginning optimization procedure. Optimizing. Optimization complete. Please remove disk. Log off. Alright, so do we now have the optimized information? Okay. Okay. I wish I could get in here. That looks like a lot of valuable stuff. I wonder if I have key cards. I wonder if I can get in using a key card. Like I have a red key card. I don't know what that does. That does nothing. Yellow key card. That does nothing. We have another key card that we got at a downed. That also does nothing. Well, there you go. Okay. So we have done everything. Who needed that? Oh yeah, it was that guy. Yeah, so we need to go back to the where the ghouls are. The ghoul reactor people. We're going to try and take it all the way up to here, then save. In case we die. Save. Yes. 3. 2340. What's your favorite game or most played game on stream? Well, so we play one game, then we move on to the next. So I haven't really played more than one game. What was my favorite game? A lot of people ask me what was my favorite Legend of Zelda game, and I usually say Wind Waker. Because it surprised me the most. That's a good question. If you go over to, like, this is like all the completed games that I've streamed. And there's like over 200 of them. I'm looking at them right now so that I can answer your question. I mean, I really did enjoy playing all the Super Mario games. You know, I did love the Resident Evil games. Resident Evil 2 and 3 were both really good games. They were awesome. Yeah. Oh my god, there was so much sailing. That was the only downside. I heard that the Wii U version... Wait. Yeah, because that was on GameCube. I heard the Wii U version did better at optimizing that. There was a game that Justin, who was one of the... He isn't around as much as he used to be, but he suggested this game called There Is No Game, Wrong Dimension. And it's on Steam, and if you haven't... It's such a neat game, a unique game. Well, there is no game, but it is a unique experience that if you haven't played it and you love point and click games, you should try that game. It's a great game, and it's an indie game. Let's see how much it is on Steam right now. It is currently 50% off and is only $6.49. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's a great game. I really enjoyed that game. I mean, I've been enjoying playing all the Pokemon games. I always was curious, like what, I guess I had never played Pokemon, and I always, I've been calling it an RPG where you collect your party. That's kind of how I see it. And so I've been enjoying playing all of those. Let's see. We want to go to this junkyard. All right, hold on. The Castlevania Lords of Shadow games are much better. I had never heard of them, and then I played them, and they're pretty damn good. I was surprised by them. So Castlevania Lords of Shadow 1 and 2 that are on the PS3, I think. Yeah, PS3 are pretty good games. I put them up there as good action games, right? I'm looking. I enjoyed let's see. Yeah, I mean I've played so many games at this point. I mean, I guess the original Portal is such a classic game. So many games on this list. Yeah. I've just been proud that I have saved all of my streams. Like how Murray, I love how you come in and just tell Flaming Baguette to go to bed. He may already be in bed. He may be asleep. We don't know. All right, I have the optimization data. I'm not sure where to go with the data. Let's go over here. Oh, that's true. He could be in bed. But you're telling him to go to sleep. We're actually not going to stream too much longer tonight. I have to get up early to, I have to go to work early. Earlier. All right, let's go talk to this rat down here. Yeah, it's not really time. It's funny because the person who scheduled it is on the West Coast, and I'm like, I messaged her this afternoon going, "Hey, isn't that early for you? It's like 7 a.m. It's 9 a.m. I usually don't get into the office till 9:30, but yeah. I smell the distinctive aroma of cheesy poofs on you. You don't happen to have some? Actually, I do. I guess I could spare some cheesy poofs. Crunch, crunch, munch, 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 munch. I love cheesy poofs. They're so, well, cheesy. For that, you get to be a member of my special cult, and you can help me take over the world. I thought I was already doing that. I already have your Ankh talisman. I guess I better get going to that atomic power plant thingy. Goodbye. Yeah, I guess I don't need to come down here. I need to go optimize the power plant directly. Yeah, this game came out in 98? Is that what we decided? I think so. Isometric view was all the rage. Me and an art friend of mine, we're gonna make an isometric game. It's gonna be like a D&D like game. Hey there, you're back with my repair kit. Snap off. They're the best. Ready to trade? It's a deal. That's a mighty fine trade. You should be able to just plug that sucker in and get your car a-working. You know, I should do another favor by fixing up some of your stuff for free, too. Really? For free? Huh? What do I need to do for you? Well, you see, I need a darn 3-step plasma transformer. And only place I can figure to get one is from the supply room. Why don't you just go get it there? I kind of wore out my welcome there, and it was only a little fire, too. Could have happened to just anyone. Anyhow, they won't let me anywhere inside the reactor building now. I need someone else to get my part for me. How do I get that for you? You've gotta get yourself a supply requisition form. One that, once you have that, just give it to Jeremy in the supply room and he'll give you that darn thing you want. You can get the supply requisitions from Harold or Festus. Where are Harold and Festus? And I will get them for my need. Harold's in the settlement and Festus is in the reactor room. I think we have to go see Festus anyway because we have the optimized data. But you might have to kind of get the forms on the sly, if you know what I mean. You mean I have to steal the requisition forms, don't you? Well, yeah, I guess so. You might ask them, but I wouldn't put your chances too high there. Well, I'll see what I can find out. I don't think I want any part of this. Goodbye. Well, I'll see what I can find out. Okay. So we got that. So I guess we need to go into the reactor. Alright, now I gotta put my glasses back on. Alright, we're gonna save again just because I'm worried something's gonna happen. Okay, so if I remember right, Harold was like this guy over here somewhere. Yeah. Oh wait, no, he was here. Thanks for getting the data we need from Vault City to optimize this leaky old beast. Damn it. You're a sly one, no denying it. By Cracky? Almost as good a job as I could have done myself. Of course, if you want to actually finish the dang job, just use that disk on the robot control terminal. Understood? Well, okay then. Well, I don't like leaving a job half done. Goodbye, Festus. Okay. So I guess we have to go back over here. And use this. Okay. Log off. Do I use it? What's that? Oh, that's my controller. Okay. Alright, where's the data? Obviously, I went past it. There it is. Alright, so we'll put that there. And then we'll just use it on that. Did that do anything? I don't think that did anything. think I do a general maintenance request? Coolant maintenance request? Cleaning sequence. Okay. Coolant maintenance? Unit rollout, initiate checking drive system. Okay. Do I use it on this? I wanted to close that door because earlier one of the other two guys walked through the door. Huh. Alright, have a good one, Lemon Square. Like I said, we're probably only going to go about maybe 10 more minutes and then head out ourselves. I can't barter. I can't, talk to this guy again. Oh my god. What's his name is in the way. They're standing in the doorway.
What you be need? What distance you need us at? We be like ugly.
There we go. Thanks for getting the data. We need OS. Just use that disk on the robot control terminal. Understand me. Thought that's what I just did. Finish the dang job. Just use that disk on the robot control terminal. Ooh. I got the requisition paper. All right. All right, this is the robot terminal. This is the disk, right? Yeah. Use. That's nothing. It doesn't seem to do anything. Hmm. I've already done that. Hmm. A murder rampage. Well, the thing is like this radiation will kill me if I go into this room, and I'm trying to. Well, let's talk to the guy. He probably doesn't. Okay. Well, he didn't do anything. You cannot repair that. It's a Fallout tradition. Well, we're gonna go get our requisition. That's from this guy right here. I need something from storage. Huh, you're not a friend of Skeeter's, are you? He's always trying to get me to give him valuable supplies. Skeeter who? I just need to bring this part over to the reactor control room to fix the... I don't know what they're going to do with the thing. I'm just picking it up. Well, if you want something from storage, you need it here. Well, this looks like it, all right. What do you need? A 3-step plasma transformer. I think I have one right here. Ah, yes, here it is. Not the latest model, but it'll have to do. Thanks, goodbye. Alright, so I got that for Skeeter. Skeeter, die! Oh my god, move. Oh my god, now my guys are in the way. Move! Alright, we optimized the data, so now... What the hell? What the fuck? Use that disk on the robot control terminal. Understand me. I do. Well, maybe that's not the robot control terminal. But that is the robot control terminal. Because that's the robot. That's the robot control terminal. All right, since we're out of time, I'm just going to Google how to do this. How to use the optimization data on power plant. Fallout 2. Did that. Go back to Gecko, go inside the power plant, go to the main control room. All right, so maybe we're not in the right spot. Go to the main control room. The room with the yellow terminal near Festus / the reactor control area. I feel like that's where I'm at. Or is this Festus? And maybe it's this computer? That does nothing. It does say control room in here too. It's gotta be that one. Unless they're talking about like something out here. Let's see that one. Is that it? Do I have to use it there? No. Which yellow terminal? Okay. All right. Well, it says what it's saying is not to have it like this, but to do. Open your and do the use action icon by left clicking and holding the terminal. Open the action wheel. Open the action wheel? What? Oh, that must have been the thing. Then selecting the backpack icon. I don't even know what the backpack icon does. The label on the holotape reads Gecko economic data. It's difficult to interpret. Oh, I'm trying to use the wrong one. This is what I'm supposed to be using. All right, so we'll pull this here. There it is. The optimization procedure was successful. You gained 2,500 experience points. All right, that's it. Why couldn't it have been like more interesting than that? All right, let's save. I was using the wrong thing. All right. Game saved. All right, let's get out of here. Thank you so much for being here. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday at 9:30 p.m. Central and on Saturday at 3 p.m. Central. Yeah. Wednesday is Worst Game Wednesday. Life of a Black Tiger. Or Lion or Panther. I can't remember which one it is the game we're going to be playing. It looks terrible. We're going to be playing it on a PS5, though. It probably needs all of that hardware to play the game. Now, I think it originally was on the PS4, but it looks pretty basic. It'll be interesting to see. If you can't be here live, everything I've ever streamed is over at YouTube. Over youtube.com. I hit the wrong button. youtube.com/JFriesTV. And then there's a link right there for all my completed games. If you want like all the games and then links to all the playlists and stuff like that, just head over there. All those emotes that flew by, they're for my subscribers. All these people over here, thank y'all so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate all the subscribers and everyone who just shows up. As always, you don't have to subscribe. Just come hang out with me. And we'll discuss stuff. I'll show off my legs. And if you don't think that'll happen, you missed, and you should go back and watch the VOD. If you want to hang out between streams, go check out the Discord. All right, there's our raid messages. First one if you're a subscriber, second one if you're not. Let me see. Who is out there that I could raid? Well, here's someone I was gonna raid the other day, but they weren't technically working on it. It's Shovda, and they do all kinds of like the Kaizo hacks of Super Mario World and all kinds of stuff. It says they're doing some sort of day 20 of a marathon or of something, but just an incredible Super Mario World level player, and it's just way above what I did with Super Mario. I don't know if I could play these levels. It would frustrate me too much. All right. We'll start that raid. Thanks again, everyone, for being here. I'm sitting here watching them. Let's get over there so we can all watch them. Thanks again, everyone, for being here. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead. And I hope to see you back here on Wednesday for Worst Game Wednesday. And, yeah, stay safe out there, okay? Love y'all. Bye, everybody.